In this video, I am going to talk about how we can customize Workbench in FreeCAD. For that, go here on Edit, then go to Preferences. Then here we need to click on Workbenches. And then here you can see the list of available benches. For example, Assembly, BIM, CAM, Draft, and so on. Here you can set up the default workbench by going here. So for example, here we have set up part design workbench because most of the time I work in part design environment. But let's say you work in a different workbench, for example, reverse engineering, you can select it and then click on OK. Now the next time when you open FreeCAD, you will see here the default starting workbench is reverse engineering. Now let me go back here in Edit, Preferences, and I'm going to set up back part design as a default workbench. You can also make it variable by selecting the first option, which is the last used workbench. So for example, last time if you use assembly, you will see by default the assembly workbench will be selected. So in this way, you can also make it variable, but let me select the part design one because I most often use this particular one. Now here we also have an option of Autoload, which I would say is very helpful. Let's say you use certain type of workbench a lot. For example, I think for me, I'm going to set up part design, assembly, inspection, and tech draw as by default workbench that I want to be loaded, such that they are ready every time whenever you open FreeCAD. However, I would say we should always make a balance between the number of workbench that you want to load versus you do not want to, because as you increase the number of workbench, it will also affect your system performance, and especially in case of those systems that have got outdated specs. And then sometime, for example, in my case, I think I do not use CAM. I also do not use BIM. I can also simply uncheck them. This will also be helpful whenever I am going here. I will not feel overwhelmed with too many workbenches. So in this way, guys, you can completely customize your workbench and can also make FreeCAD lighter. Subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD series, and I will see you around in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.